In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.4, question 1, part 9. And question we have I is equal to integral x square tan inverse x dx. See, I have told you in the last question number 8, if we have one algebraic expression, one algebraic, and then second one is the trigonometric, so we have to consider algebraic u as a first function and trigonometric as a second function. But see, if you have a inverse trigonometric function, this is important point, then you have to consider this as a u and algebraic function as a v. If it is sin x, tan x, cos x, right? So you have to consider trigonometric function as a v, second function. But if you have the inverse trigonometric function, then you have to consider as a u. Again, one more time, I will write down formula here for u. So u into v dx minus v dx and d by dx of u into dx. So see, wherever we have u in this formula, we will put tan inverse. Wherever we have v, we will write down x square and then we will solve the problem. So first it tan inverse, u is tan inverse. Why we will consider tan inverse trigonometric function as a first function? Because here we have to take the derivative. And when we will take the derivative of the inverse trigonometric function, it will convert to the algebraic expression. I will show you. Tan inverse x integral of x square dx minus double integral of x square dx and d by dx of tan inverse x dx. Right, so see, tan inverse x will remains the same. Here we will use the power rule. Power rule is just ignore the power. We have only x variable and the derivative is 1, right? So is here it means we will use the power rule. Power rule is whatever is the power is 2, you have to add 1. So the new power is 2 plus 1, you have to divide with this. Minus integral, same thing here, 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Now the derivative of tan inverse. See, I told you why we will take the inverse function as the first function. When we will take the derivative, we know tan inverse x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx. It will convert to the algebraic function. Now in the next step, we will write down tan inverse x into x cube. So I can write down x cube here divided by 3 minus 1 over 3 we will take is a constant. So here we have x cube divided by 1 plus x square dx. Now we have to do the integration of this part. So this is the fraction, and I told you if in the numerator we do not have the derivative here, the derivative of this expression should be 2x, and we do not have in the numerator. But in the numerator we have the variable x cube, this is x square. If the numerator, the power of the variable is greater than the denominator or equal to the denominator, then we have to reduce this power. When we have to reduce, if it is greater than the power of the denominator or if they are equal. So it is greater. So I will show you here. This work you have to do on the side. Okay, x cube, this will be the dividend and you have to divide with 1 plus x square. So it will be x cube plus x minus minus, this will cross out, we have minus. So here we can write down x cube tan inverse x divided by 3 minus 1 integral of, you have to start from here, x minus x over 1 plus x square dx. See, now we have two expressions, so we will do the integration separate. How we will do? This part will remains the same, tan inverse x minus 1 over 3 x dx minus integral of, see from here, this is x and minus x divided by 1 plus x square. So we will do the separate integration. Here it is x cube over 3 tan inverse x will remains the same. The integration of this, we will use the power rule. We will multiply at the end. So it will be 1 plus 1, because we have one power, we will add 1 plus 1 minus integral of, so see, this is important, the derivative, see again, these powers are not same, this is less than the denominator, right? So we will see whether the derivative is there, this is the function, or we have the derivative here or not. We have only x, the derivative should be 2x, so it means 2 is missing. So it is very easy, if there is a constant, we can divide and multiply with the same. Technically they will cancel out each other, again our question will be same. Okay, so it will be x cube over 3 tan inverse x minus 1 over 3 will remains the same. It is x square over 2 minus 1 over 2. So see, now this is the function and we have a derivative in the numerator, so its integration will be natural log of function, which is 1 plus x square plus c. Now we will multiply with 1 over 3 with this, it will be x cube over 3 tan inverse x minus x square over 6 plus 1 over 6 natural log of 1 plus x square plus c, and this is your answer. Again, if any point is not clear, without any hesitation, you can ask me. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy.